What if I told you that the version of your life you've been praying for, already exists? Not in your imagination, not as some distant dream, but right now, in a parallel reality, waiting for you to align with it. This isn't fiction. This is quantum manifestation. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to shift into that life, starting today. What if the gap between the life you're living and the life you desire isn't distance, effort, or even time, but alignment? What if all your desires already exist as vibrational blueprints in the quantum field, and your job is not to chase them, but to tune yourself to the version of reality where they are already yours? This is not fantasy. This is quantum manifestation. Quantum manifestation is the art of collapsing time between you and your desire by stepping into the frequency of the version of yourself that already has it. It's not about becoming something new, it's about remembering who you already are in infinite versions of existence. You are not a linear being. You are multidimensional. Every possible outcome already exists in the quantum field. Every version of you, rich, in love, healthy, fulfilled, is not somewhere in the future. It's here, now. Waiting. And the bridge between your current reality and that ideal version is not luck or struggle, it's consciousness. Most people live on autopilot, observing their current circumstances and reacting to them as if that's all there is. But Neville Goddard said, consciousness is the only reality. In other words, what you are conscious of being, you become. The quantum field simply reflects your dominant state of consciousness. So if you continue to say, I am broke, I am lonely, or I am stuck, the universe, like a perfect mirror, reflects that state back to you with precision. But if you dare to say, I am abundant, I am loved, I am free, and you say it not as a wish but as a knowing, you begin to shift timelines. You begin to align with the frequency of your desired life. Quantum manifestation is the science of identity. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest what you are. So if you want a different life, don't chase it, embody it. Feel it now. Act as if it's already done. That's the language the universe understands. This is where Neville's law of assumption meets quantum physics. Assume the wish fulfilled. Live in the end. Feel the reality of the thing desired until it becomes more natural to you than your current circumstance. You don't wait for proof, your belief is the proof. The quantum field doesn't give you what's true, it gives you what you expect. Just like a radio doesn't create the music, it reveals it. Your frequency determines your experience. So the question is not, how do I get it? The real question is, who do I need to be to already have it? Identity comes first. Reality comes second. This is why people struggle with manifestation, they focus on the goal, not the self. They try to visualize a mansion while still identifying as someone who can't pay rent. That's like trying to tune into a jazz station while broadcasting heavy metal. You have to become the version of you who already lives that life. Think like them. Feel like them. Walk like them. You're not pretending, you're remembering. This is what Neville meant when he said, you must dare to assume you are what you want to be, and you will compel everyone to play their part. The quantum field is an infinite canvas. Every choice, every belief, every assumption sends out a signal. The version of you that is wealthy, confident, radiant, magnetic, it's not far away. It's vibrating at a different frequency, waiting for you to match it. You don't need more time. You need a new signal. You must mentally rehearse the new reality so often that your body begins to believe it's already happening. When you hold a thought long enough, it becomes a belief, and a belief, held consistently, becomes biology. Your brain rewires. Your heart opens. Your energy changes. And guess what? So does your life. Because the outer world is not separate from you. It's responding to you. Reality is not fixed. It's fluid. You don't live in the world, you live in your assumptions about the world. And when you change those assumptions, the world shifts with them. This is not a theory, it's how manifestation works at the quantum level. Every second, infinite realities exist. In one, you're still searching. In another, you've already found everything you've been looking for. The path to that reality is not an effort, but embodiment. That's the quantum leap. It's not a physical jump, it's a vibrational one. You don't have to know how it happens. The how is never your job. Your job is alignment. Your job is to feel the joy, the gratitude, the peace of already having it. Because in that moment, you've stepped into that version of you. And the quantum field rearranges to reflect that new identity. Don't believe it yet? Good. You don't have to believe immediately. But begin to experiment. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and ask, what does the version of me who already has my desire feel like? How do they speak? How do they carry themselves? What do they assume about life? And begin living that way, not tomorrow, not next week, now. That's the practice. That's the secret. As Neville said, change your conception of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. So don't wait. The future is not coming, it's already here in the unseen. Your desires are not random. They are memories from your future self, calling you into alignment. Answer the call. Don't manifest from lack. Manifest from identity. Be it now. And the quantum universe will open doors you never knew existed. So, when you finish this video, don't go back to being who you were. Go be who you really are. Step into the field where everything you want already belongs to you. That's, my friend, quantum manifestation.